Hey guys, it's Miss Carrier. I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to create a word cloud, and specifically a word cloud in the shape of a battle bee. This is something that I did last year with all of your words to create a special gift for our retiring ladies. And this is one that we've created for, or working on right now for our cafeteria ladies to thank them for their hard work. So this is the goal, and this is the program that you're going to start with. You're going to go to wordclouds.com and you'll need to create, choose your shape here. Right now it's set on heart, but what we're going to do, you can see all the options, but what we're going to do is we're going to upload an image that we already have saved. Now I have several logos that are stored in this drive folder, and the one that I feel like works the best with this is this transparent one here. And so I've already gone ahead and saved this to my desktop so that when I go into the word cloud generator, I leave everything standard as it is, and I say select shape file. And then I have this transparent graphic that I can pull in. And so what it does is you can see it goes ahead and it shapes the shape of a bee. Now it looks really nice because there are so many words. And so that's what we're going to be changing. Now, if we can get more words or we can kind of be creative with that, maybe it will look a little more filled in. But right now, if you were to look at the word list, you will see that there are actually total of 138 entries into this. And you can see how they're weighted. So the ones that are weighted at the bottom with only like ones and twos are going to appear much smaller on the word cloud. And the ones that are up here at the top weighted 17, 16, 13, those are going to show up much bigger. And so what you want to do is you're actually going to say, I'm going to just paste in a list right here. And so Miss Altman has so kindly went and gotten all of the words from our staff to fill in. And I think there's 40 some words here. So a lot to work with. So we're going to go ahead and copy that. Now I've just went in and made them all lowercase so that they'll look consistent. I'm going to copy that list, come back over here and paste them right in there. All right, and what it's going to do is kind of calculate which ones are weighted more heavy based on how many times it appeared. So we're going to go ahead and apply that. So now you're going to see that all of our words are showing up in the B. It's a little less filled in just because there aren't as many words. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change the colors of this. So the background color, I would like to leave it as plain white. All right, so that's going to be a plain white, so we can apply that and see that show up now. And then we're going to go to the colors, and right now the cloud colors are showing down here. So what I'm going to do is just delete all of these colors out. And so of course you could choose whatever colors you wanted, but for the battle bee, I just choose the green in this selection panel, and I come down here to one of the darker greens, something that looks very close to our battle green. And then it fills it in. So it's kind of cool. It does it for you. It's pretty quick. It looks nice, but what you can do is you can go in and you can go into the word list and you can reweight these based on how much or what kind of presence you want them to have. So maybe we weight the caring as a 10. Maybe we say dedicated at a 9, hardworking also at a 9. Maybe we take selfless up to a 6. Maybe we say awesome is at a 5. Compassionate's maybe a 5. We can say friendly at a 3. Doesn't really matter. All of the words are important. But if we go down and kind of just do that throughout, then maybe that will help us fill in those spaces a little bit better. So let's apply that. And so now you can see we're starting to kind of fill out that B. And you can also play with this. This is just going to change that shape a little bit too. So as you guide this up or down, you're going to see how many words were not drawn just based on the amount of space that it had. And so you can kind of see it changing. And once you're happy with it, let's try it a little bit bigger and let's see what it does here. All right, 14 words. So we're actually getting less. Let's come down here and see how filled in it is. Okay, now at that point it says only 2 words were not filled in, but we're missing a gap here. So you just have to keep playing with it until you get it to look exactly like you want. And once you're happy with it, you're going to go ahead and save this project file. Now that's looking pretty good. We're getting there. Let's say I was happy with it. I would go in and file save the image, save that to my desktop. I can also save the project. So that's how you create a battle bee. I hope that you have fun creating yours, and